Teja Akshara Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss work, energy and power. Problems on work done part 1. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. Problems on work done part 1. Go to the first question. In this question, they given a body is displaced from R A bar is equals to 2 I cap plus 4 J cap minus 6 K cap to R B bar is equals to 6 I cap minus 4 J cap minus 2 K cap under a constant force F bar is equals to 2 I cap plus 3 J cap minus K cap. Find the work done. Here we have to calculate work done by this two position vectors. Here they given the position vectors of R bar of the position of the body A and the body B R bar, and next they given a force F bar. Okay, now let us go to the solution. In this question they given F bar is equals to given F bar is equals to 2 I cap plus 3 J cap minus K cap. Now next they given as R bar for the body A, that is 2 I cap plus 4 J cap minus 6 K cap, and they given as R bar for the body B 6 I cap minus 4 J cap minus 2 K cap. We have to calculate work done. Work done W is equals to dot product of F and S, F bar and S bar. So this can be written as W is equals to F bar, S bar can be written as R B bar minus R A bar. So now we are substituting values. W is equals to F nothing but they given us 2 I cap plus 3 J cap minus K cap, dot product of, here we are subtracting R bar they given as 6 I cap minus 4 J cap minus 2 K cap minus of A R bar for the position for the body position vector of the body A, that is 2 I cap plus 4 J cap minus 6 K cap. So now this is equals to 2 I cap plus 3 J cap minus K cap, dot product of, here 6 minus 2, 6 I cap minus 2 I cap, 4 I cap minus 8 J cap plus 8 K cap, here 6 I cap minus 4 J cap, here plus 2 K cap, here also plus 2 K cap. This is plus, R bar given as plus, so this one minus of minus plus, so here this is 6 I cap minus 4 J cap plus 2 K cap. So now plus 2 K cap plus minus of minus plus 8 K cap. Now we are finding the dot product I dot I is equals to 1. So 4 2s are 8 minus 8 3s are 24 minus into plus minus, minus 8 1 ja 8. So that implies work done is equals to here 8, here minus 24 minus 8 minus 32, 32 minus 8 to 24. So minus 24, or else plus 8 minus 8 will cancel, minus 24 units. So work done is equals to minus 24 units. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we'll go to the next question. A force F bar is equals to 2x I cap plus 2j cap minus 3z square k cap newtons is acting on a particle. Find the work done by the force in displacing the body from 123 m to 631 meters. See here, displacement of the body they given as the point formation 123 meters to 6361 meters. Now we are calculating work done. So work done by the force is, now let us go to the solution. Work done W is equals to, work done W is equals to, here we are doing this integration x1 to x2 fx dx plus integration of y1 to y2 fy dy plus integration of z1 to z2 f z dz. So W is equals to, work done W is equals to, here we are taking the points 1 to 3 2x dx plus here I component, j component and k component, here 2 dy from 2 to 6 plus integration of 3 to 1 3z square dz. Here also we have to take plus, it is not minus, plus 3z square k bar. Okay. Now plus 3z square dz. Now we are integrating work done W is equals to 2 of integration of x dx. Here integration of x power n dx is equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. We are using this formula here. Now integration of x dx is equals to, here anything not there means 1. So x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 of applying the limits 1 to 3 plus 2 of integration of x, here integration of dy y applying the limits 2 to 6 plus here 3 we are taking outside and this is the for limitation. Now 3 we are taking out and this integration of z square nothing but z to the power of 1 plus 1 nothing but z to the power of 2 plus 1, here z square is there by 2 plus 1 applying the limits here 3 to 1. Now we are next applying the limits. So next W is equals to 2 of x square by 2 whole cube plus 2 y 6 2 plus 3 of z cube minus 3 limits 1 to 3. So that is equals to 2 of, here upper limit minus lower limit 3 square by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 of 6 minus 2 plus 3 of 1 cube, nothing but 1 by 3 minus 3 cube by 3. So that is equals to 2 of here 9 minus 1 8 by 2 plus 2 of 6 minus 2 4 4 2s are 8 plus 3 of here 1 by 3 minus 3 cube 3 3 are 9 9 3 is 27 1 minus 27 26 by 3 here 3 3 3 3 gets cancels, so that is equals to here we are getting here 8 plus 8 here 1 minus 27 here minus 26, so minus 26 16 minus 26 we are getting minus 10 joules. So work done by the force in displacing the body from 123 meters to 361 meters is work done is equals to minus 10 joules. Okay, this is the final answer. Work done is equals to minus 10 joules. Okay, next we will go to the next question. The force acting on an object varies with the distance travelled by the object as shown in the figure. Find the work done by the force in moving the object from x is equals to 0 meters to x is equals to 14 meters. See the figure. See, work done here we have to calculate work done by the force in moving an object from 0 to from here to 0 to 14 meters. Okay. Now let us go to the solution. Work done is equals to area under Fs curve. Here we have to calculate area under Fs curve. Now W is equals to calculating area. First here we are taking this triangular notation, half into base into height, and here we are looking like here this is a bread here 6 minus 10 minus 6 4 here square it is so it is looking like it is a rectangle L into length into breadth, or we can take it is a square S into S 4 into 4 plus here looking like this is a triangle, and triangle area of triangle half into base into height, so that is equals to next half into here 6 into not this is a 4 height 4, so half into base into height plus length into breadth, or suppose it is now it is looking like rectangle length into breadth, length 10 minus 6 4 breadth 4, here it is a triangle formation half into base into height. Okay, next W is equals to work done is equals to half into 6 into 4 plus 4 4 the 16 plus half into 4 4 the 16, here 2 ones 2 3s are 3 4s are 12 plus 16 plus here 2 ones 2 8s 16 12 plus 8 20 20 plus 16 36 joules. So work done by the force in moving object from x is equals to 0 to x is equal to 14 meters, that is therefore work done is equals to 36 joules. This is the final answer. Okay, Next, we'll go to the next question. When a rubber band is stretched by a distance x, it exerts a restoring force of magnitude F is equals to ax plus bx square, where a and b are constants. Find the work done in stretching the unstretched rubber band by L. Here we have to calculate the work done in stretching the unstretched rubber band. Now let us go to the solution. The restoring force exerted by rubber band, they given as, now the restoring force exerted by the rubber band when it is stretched by a distance x is, they given as F is equals to ax plus bx square. The small amount of work done on the rubber band is stretched through a small distance dx is, now the small amount of work done on the rubber band in stretching through a small distance dx is, that is dw is equals to f dx, that is equals to ax plus bx square into dx. This is f, here we are taking f is equals to ax plus bx square. Small amount of work done on the rubber band stretching through a small distance dx is, dw is equals to f into dx. F substituting, we are substituting in the place of f ax plus bx square into dx. Now total work done, the total work done in stretching the unstretched rubber band, unstretched rubber band by L is, here now we are taking the total work done in stretching the unstretched rubber band by L. W is equals to, work done is equals to integration of 0 to L f into dx, that is equals to, substituting w is equals to work done, w is equal to 0 to L f nothing but ax plus bx square into dx. So now we are integrating 0 to L ax dx plus integration of 0 to L bx square dx. So work done is equals to, we are getting a of, here x square, integration of x dx nothing but x square by 2 with the limits 0 to L, and b of x cube by 3 with the limits 0 to L. Here integration of x square dx, x to the power of 2 plus 1 3, x cube by 3. Now applying the limits, we are getting a L square by 2 plus b L cube by 3. This is the work done in total work done in stretching the unstretched rubber band by L. Okay. Therefore, final answer is work done W is equals to A L square by 2 plus B L cube by 3. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. In this question, a particle of mass m is projected at an angle alpha to the horizontal with an initial velocity u. Find the work done by the gravity during the time it reaches the highest point. Now, let us see this diagram. Here we are taking, suppose this is a x axis and it is a y axis. Here we project a particle of mass m is projected at an angle alpha. Here this is the highest point. Find the work done by the gravity during the time it reaches the highest point. This is the highest point. Here we are taking height, we are calculating from here to here. This is the highest point h, and this is x axis. We are making an angle alpha. Now this is origin, from here to here x. Okay, now f. Now let us go to the solution. F y bar is equals to mg j cap. So here mg j cap and r bar is equals to, here we are taking maximum height. That maximum height is equals to u square sin square alpha by 2g of j cap. And now calculating work done, W is equals to F bar dot R bar. So that is equals to, we are taking W is equals to minus mg j cap dot product of u square sin square alpha by 2g of j cap. So W is equals to, multiplication here, minus half m u square sines j dot j 1. So sin square alpha, here g gets cancels. Okay, this is the work done by the gravity during the time it reaches the highest point. So at last finally therefore W is equals to minus half m u square sine square alpha. This is the work done by gravity. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. A 10 kilogram block is pulled along a frictionless surface in the form of an arc of a circle of radius 10 meters. The applied force is 200 newtons. Find the work done by one applied force, and second one we have to calculate gravitational force in displacing through at an angle 60 degrees. Okay, first we have to calculate applied force and then we have to calculate gravitational force. Okay, now let us go to the solution. Here suppose here we are taking from this support, taking a block, and this is a block, a 10 kilogram block. 10 kilogram block is pulled along a frictionless surface in the form of an arc. See here, now we are taking this block and making an angle here, they given as 60 degrees in the formation of arc. Here we are applying the force, and this radius here are 10 centimeters, they given as radius 10 centimeter. Now work done by applied force, W is equals to F R sine theta. Now substituting values, they given as F they given as 200 newtons and R 10, theta they given as sine 60 degrees. So that is equals to W work done, W is equals to 200 into 10 into sine 60, nothing but root 3 by 2. Here 2 ones 200, so that is equals to root 3 into 100 into 10 1000, so that is equals to root 3, nothing but the value of root 3 is 1.732 into 1000. So this can be written as 1732 joules. This is the work done. Find the work done, applied force, and we have to calculate next gravitational force. Work done by gravitational force. Work done by gravitational force. Work done by gravitational force, W is equals to minus mgr of 1 minus cos theta. So that is equals to, now substituting values, minus m they given as 10, g value 9.8 into r they given as 10, 1 minus angle they given as 60 degrees. So that is equals to minus 10 into 9.8 can be written as 98 by 10 into 10 into 1 minus cos 60 1 by 2. So that is equals to 10 cancel, minus 98 into here 980, 98 into 10 980 into 1 minus 1 by 2, taking LCM 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2, 2 ones, 2 fours are 8, 2 nines are 18, 0. So that is equals to minus 490 joules. So work done by the gravitational force W is equals to minus 490 joules. This is the final answer. Work done by the applied force, we are getting 1732 joules, and work done by gravitational force W is equals to, we are getting minus 490 joules. Okay, next we will go to the next question. A uniform chain of length 2 meters is kept on a table such that a length of 60 centimeters hangs freely from the edge of the table. The total mass of the chain is 4 kg. What is the work done in pulling the entire chain back onto the table? Here we have to calculate work done in pulling the entire chain back onto the table. Now let us go to the solution. Here they given mass of the chain M is equals to, they given as 4 kilogram, and the length of the chain 2 meters, and here they given as length of this hangs freely from the edge, they given as in 60 centimeters. Converting into meters, L is equals to 0.6 meters and G is equals to 10 meters per second square. Okay, now work done W is equals to, work done W is equals to mgl by 2, that is equals to m nothing but capital M by L of L into G L by 2. Now substituting values, W is equals to 4 by 2 into 0.6 into 10 into 0.6 by 2. So now we are cancellation here, 2 ones are 2 5s are, again 2 ones are 2, 0.3s are. So after multiplication we are getting 3.6 joules. So work done in pulling the entire chain back onto the table, that is equals to 3.6 joules. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, next we will go to the next. Find the work done in lifting a body of mass 20 kg and specific gravity 3.2 to a height of 8 meters in water. Z they given as 10 meters per second square. Here we have to calculate a work done in lifting the body of mass 20 kg and specific heat 3.2, a height of 8 meters in water. Now let us go to the solution. Given specific gravity is equals to, here given specific gravity, given specific gravity rho B by rho W, body by water, that is equal, they given as 3.2. So rho B is equals to 3.2 into rho W. So that is equals to rho B is equals to 3.2 into density of water 1000. So that is equals to, we are getting 3200. Here decimal notation 32 by 10. 0 0 cancel, or else here we will write rho B is equals to 32 by 10 into 1000. 0 0 gets cancels, 3200. Now work done is equals to, work done W is equals to mgh of 1 minus rho W by rho B. Now Substituting values in this, we get W is equals to M20 G10 H8 of 1 minus 1000 density of water, and the density of body they given as 3200. So that is equals to 20 into 10 into 8 of here 3200 taking LCM minus 1000 by 3200. So that is equals to, we are getting 20 into 10, 200 into 8 into 3200 minus 1000, 20 to 2200 by 3200, 0 0 0 0 gets cancels. Here 2 1 ja 200 ja, here 216 ja, 8 1 ja 8 to the 16, 2 1 ja 2 11 ja. So 11 into 100, 1100 joules. So therefore work done in lifting a body of mass 20 kilogram and specific heat 3.2 to a height of 8 meters in water. Therefore work done is equals to 1100 joules. Okay, this is the final answer. Next we'll go to the next question. A block of mass m is lowered with the help of a rope negligible mass through a distance d with an acceleration of g by 3. Find the work done by the rope on the block. Here we have to calculate work done by the rope on the block. Now let us go to the solution. Given here, during lowering a block, tension in rope is during lowering or lowering a block, tension in rope is T is equals to m of g minus a, and s is equals to d. This d nothing but here distance. Now work done is equals to W is equals to minus of m g minus a into d. Now work done is equals to here, now we are taking minus m of g minus, here they given as acceleration of g by 3. So in the place of a we are writing g by 3 into d. This is 3, g by 3 into d. So that is equals to minus m, taking LCM 3g minus g, 2g by 3 into d. So therefore work done by the rope W is equals to minus 2mgd by 3, m into 2g 2mg into d 2mgd by 3. This is the work done by the rope on the block. Okay, next we'll go to the next question. A man weighing 80 kilogram climbs a staircase carrying a 20 kilogram load. The staircase has 40 steps, each of 25 centimeters height. If he takes 20 seconds to climb, then the work done is. Here we have to calculate work done by this man. Now let us go to the solution. Now here they given mass of a man weighing 80 kilogram. So they given M is equals to 80 kilogram, and load they given as 20 kilogram, and H is equals to N into H. Here how many steps? 40 steps. 40 into each is 25 centimeters. So converting into meters into 10 to the power of minus 2. So that is equals to 25 and 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, next we are here, work done W is equals to MP plus ML of mass. Here mass of this weighing 80 kilogram person plus mass of the load into G into H, mgh. Work done is equal to mgh. Here we are getting total mass 80 plus 20 into G 9.8, and H here we are taking height 10. So that is equals to here 40 into 25, 40 into 25 into 10 to the power of minus 2, nothing but 10 square, nothing but here 100, 1 by 100. So 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 10 ja. So H is equals to how much you are getting? 10 meters. Okay, now substituting this H value here 10 meters. So 80 plus 20, 100 into 9.8 into 10. So that is equals to, work done is equals to 100 into 9.8 can be written as 98 by 10 into 10. So 10 10 gets cancels. We are getting the W is equals to, work done is equals to 9,800 joules. In terms of kilojoules, we are writing this as 9.8 kilojoules. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, now work done W is equals to 9.8 kilojoules. Okay, thanks for watching this video.